Recently, I ran across a video of how taking a 30-day eating clean challenge, it's overhauled their body, changed their mind, changed their energy levels, and so many positive other aspects. I had to try it. And now I want you to join me on a 30-day Eat Clean challenge. The goal of Eat Clean eating is to nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods while avoiding foods that may be harmful to your health. It's not a diet where you're counting calories or macronutrients or anything like that, but it's a lifestyle approach to food that promotes a balance of healthy foods rather than restricting or eliminating certain foods that you may like. Now some examples of eating clean: fruits and vegetables. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Whole grains, choosing whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats over processed grains like white flour and white rice. Lean proteins, consuming lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes, which are beans, peanuts, and peas. Healthy fats would be things like avocados, nuts, and olive oils, which promote essential fatty acids and support heart health. To make sure we succeed, I'm passing along this clean eating cheat sheet. On the top, green shows you what you can eat mostly of. The yellow, foods you can have, but try not to eat as much of. And in the red, foods we definitely want to avoid. So I'm going to be checking in, having some blood work done so we can compare things like my sugar levels, cholesterol, even things like testosterone. Before and after weight, we'll have pictures before and after my physique. I'm going to bring in somebody with a degree in nutrition to help with the foods, and also somebody to help me in the gym. Most importantly, I'm going to be sharing with you some great cooking videos and recipes that not only are incredibly nutritious, but delicious as well. You are gonna love them. Are you ready for more energy, looking better, losing some weight, and just being a new you? Then join me on the 30-day Eat Clean challenge. Let's go.